Do you believe Elon Musk needs to return his attention to Tesla as the year comes to an end? Given the company's stock price performance, some Tesla investors are doubting Musk's ability to make wise decisions and his dedication to leading the electric car industry. Their main worry is that Musk's $44 billion purchase of Twitter in October has taken up the billionaire's time and negatively impacted Tesla stock. Musk, however, appears to be aware of this fact and has recently taken further action to improve Tesla. This is one you really don't want to miss. Greetings and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. Elon Musk, the owner and CEO of Twitter, recently asked users in a light-hearted survey on the social media site if he should resign from his position as CEO. More than 17.5 million people voted in the online poll, which closed a few hours later, with the majority of respondents, roughly 57.5%, demanding that the billionaire resign from his position. As a result, more than 10 million users decided they no longer wanted Elon to manage Twitter. Although it's unclear if he will, Musk has stated that he would genuinely follow the poll's findings. Musk refrained from commenting on the poll's results right away. Will he actually depart as the new CEO of Twitter, though? See this video for more information. Before we begin, please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications if you enjoy this type of video, so that you may be informed of all developments about Tesla. Musk later stated that there was no potential replacement for him at the social media company, despite having stated in November that he expected to cut back on his time at Twitter and find someone else to manage the site in the long run. In a string of tweets, Musk maintained that no one was prepared to take his place. He wrote, "Finding a CEO isn't the issue. The challenge is to identify a CEO capable of sustaining Twitter." And other users speculated that Musk had already chosen a successor. The billionaire responded that there isn't a successor because no one who can truly sustain Twitter wants the position. In recent months, Tesla stock has been declining, most recently hitting a 2-year low, although the automaker stock increased by over 1% during pre-market trading in the United States. Many analysts and investors continue to hold the view that the stock is cheap. Musk's new venture with Twitter has been blamed by numerous investors for the decline in Tesla shares. Many investors think Musk may be neglecting Tesla and its investors by spending too much time on Twitter. Musk has acknowledged that his workload has grown since joining Twitter, and it appears that the CEO is now trying to return his attention to Tesla. Tesla stock has lost more than $700 billion in value since Musk sold billions of shares, and investors began to doubt his role. Whether Musk will keep selling is still up in the air. Musk's tactics have drawn serious criticism, though, one of which being that Twitter polls are straw polls, which are informal and not comparable to expert public opinion research. It's also possible for bots or phony accounts to answer a Twitter poll. Finding a successor to lead the social media company was Musk's second biggest Christmas wish list item, according to a recent note from Dan Ives, managing director of equity research at Wedbush Securities. He claims that Musk has to appoint a permanent CEO for Twitter in order to put an end to the recent Twitter unrest, which has caused Tesla a great deal of difficulty and shame. In a similar vein, Leo Kogwin, Tesla's biggest individual investor, tweeted that Elon abandoned Tesla and Tesla has no working CEO. In addition to saying that Tesla needs and deserves a full-time, functioning CEO, he urged the board to act. Musk has been liquidating a large portion of his Tesla stock. According to Bloomberg and Forbes, French entrepreneur Bernard Arnault recently surpassed the business tycoon as the richest person in the world. Elon Musk is no longer the richest person in the world. The CEO of the LVMH conglomerate, which owns renowned luxury labels like Givenchy, Christian Dior, Tiffany & Co., and Louis Vuitton, Bernard Arnault now holds the post, according to reports. Musk's handling of Twitter prompted questions about his other businesses, particularly Tesla, which was the primary reason he lost the top rank. This year, the CEO of Tesla sold billions of dollars worth of Tesla stock to finance the acquisition of Twitter. Additionally, he has enlisted executives, engineers, and attorneys from SpaceX and Tesla to assist him at Twitter, despite the CEO's pledge in April to cease selling shares. Musk has sold almost $34 billion worth of Tesla stock this year, which has negatively impacted the stock price. Investors at Tesla have urged Elon Musk to concentrate on the company. Musk's Twitter takeover early this year, according to critics, has distracted the billionaire from Tesla. Regretfully, Tesla faces other difficulties than Musk wasting time and money on Twitter. The fact that the automaker is presently giving discounts on cars in China may indicate that demand for its vehicles is declining. Furthermore, despite years of assurances, the firm has unable to offer the functionality of fully autonomous driving. While Tesla has successfully delivered its eagerly anticipated semi-truck, other vehicles, including the robotaxi and Cybertruck, have not yet reached the market. Similarly, it is still unclear if Tesla will be able to fulfill its fourth quarter production and delivery goals for both this quarter and the upcoming year. The manufacturer has outlined a number of goals to increase manufacturing. If all goes according to plan, Tesla's queue for production would put the EV manufacturer on schedule to reach Elon Musk's 2020 target of 1.5 million potential units. With a production rise of more than 50% for the year, these ambitions may see Tesla surpass the anticipated growth in the global automobile market by almost a factor of 10 in 2023. Musk had previously stated that he would ensure Twitter's long-term benefits for Tesla investors. But after the new Twitter owner fired some of the company's previous staff, some investors have started to question Musk's reliability. After assuming control of Twitter, Musk fired 3,700 employees, or about half of the company's workforce. Musk claimed that Twitter's staff was overworked and overly preoccupied with marketing, platform security, product development, and content moderation. Subsequent reports, however, indicated that Twitter had contacted a few workers to invite them back following the widespread layoff. Despite popular assumptions that Musk's neglect of Tesla may be contributing to the decline in the automaker's stock price, a number of other recent occurrences may be crucial elements driving the stock lower and possibly jeopardizing the money of Tesla investors. Some investors, like Leo Kogwin and Gary Black, have suggested a share buyback to increase Tesla's share value in order to overcome this ongoing decline in the company's share price. Leo has continuously backed the notion that Tesla should buy back its stock during sharp declines in its value. When Tesla's share price continued to decline earlier in May, Kogwin urged the company to declare a $15 billion stock buyback. He stated in a tweet at the time to Martin Vicha, Senior Director of Investor Relations at Tesla, that the company ought to make its intention to buy back $5 billion worth of shares this year and $10 billion next year known right away. He went on to say that Tesla could finance the buyback using its free cash flow, and that the action shouldn't have an impact on its present cash holdings of $18 billion. Similarly, in a recent open letter to Tesla's board, Gary Black, a managing partner and co-founder of Future Fund, said,